So we have question 15. Let's see solution to that. Question 15. Laplace of this. If you look at this Laplace, there is no direct table for this. So then that will call for you the usage of a trigonometry identity can be split into two parts. This times this. Then we can also express this in double angle because we have a table for this, but there is no table for this. Cos 2t is equal to what? 2 cos squared. 2 cos squared t minus 1. Let's make this one the subject. So once you do that, you can substitute for that here. And that will be equal to what? Cos 2t plus 1 over 2 equal to what? Cos squared t. Okay? So then this will be equal to this we have cos t times this will be what? Half into brackets 1 plus cos 2t. That will be half cos t plus half 1 over 2 cos t cos 2t. So that's what we have now. Okay? Then we can factorize the half. Then we have this plus what? Plus this. Okay? Then don't forget we can apply the addition formula for this. From the previous solution, we can borrow from the previous solution. Cos t cos 2t will be equal to half into brackets cos this plus this, that's 3t. Okay? Then plus what? Cos this minus this, that's minus t. Okay? Don't forget cos minus t is the same as this. So that's what we have now. So we can go back there and begin to make substitution again. So that'll be 1 over 2. So we now have this equal to 1 over 2 cos t plus substitute for this. That'll be what? That is half also. Half into brackets cos 3t plus cos t. This one times this one, 1 over 2 cos t. 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, that's what? Plus what? 1 over 4. Then you can open this one. Okay, so that's 1 over 4 times this. Then 1 over 4 also times this. So that's cos t. Okay? 1 over 4. So, because once you open the bracket, this becomes 1 over 4 here, times this one, 1 over 4 times this one. So we can combine this one together, this one and this one together. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. That will give us what? That's 3 over 4. That's 3 over 4. So we now have now 3 over 4 cos t plus 1 over 4 cos 3t. Then we can now get the Laplace now, Laplace of this function. We can get the Laplace of this function now. Laplace of so we can get the Laplace of that. So Laplace of cos this cos cube t is equal to that will be Laplace of each of these functions, 3 over 4, Laplace of cos t, plus 1 over 4, Laplace of what? Cos 3t. Okay, so let's get the final answer to that. So that will give us 3 over 4 times Laplace of cos t will be x over s squared plus 1, then plus 1 over 4 times Laplace of cos 3t. That will be x over s squared plus 9. Okay, so the final conclusion will be 3x over 4 into bracket this, and plus 1 times this, that's a 4 into bracket s squared plus 9. So that finished the solution to this question. Laplace of this question 16, or from this identity from t f of t, remember this, that it will be what? Minus 1 to power 1. This one is 1. Okay, the n here is 1. So and then the differential respect to x. Okay, Laplace of what? F of t. Okay, so this will be minus 1 d dx of Laplace of sine squared t. Okay, Laplace of this sine squared t. We say that cos 2t is 1 minus what? 1 minus sine squared, 2 sine squared t. So we can make this one the subject. If you do that, then you have this equal to what? Equal to 1 minus cos 2t over 2. Okay, then we can get the Laplace of this, and that will be what? Half Laplace of this minus cos 2t. Okay, and that will be equal to what? 1 over 2 into bracket what? This, and then Laplace of this is what? Is x over x squared plus 4. So let's now differentiate this function respect to x. Let's differentiate this. Yeah, so that will be equal to, if you differentiate this, dx of x minus 1, that will be equal to what? Minus 1 into bracket what? X minus 2. Okay, which is equal to what? Which is equal to minus 1 over x squared. Okay, so I've done this first one. So let's see how we can differentiate this one also. D dx of x over x squared plus 4. Okay, let's see how we can differentiate that. This one, d dx of this function, it will be what? It will be x squared plus 4 all squared. Then this, okay, derivative of this one is 1, then minus the numerator times derivative of this one. That's what? That's 2x. Okay, so, and don't forget there is a minus in front. So the final conclusion will be equal to what? What you have here times minus and then times 1 over 2. So that will give me 1 over 2 times 1 over x squared. Then followed by this one, the differential coefficient of that will be minus, okay, times minus that we have here, making it to the plus. Then this is giving us what? X squared plus 4. This one times this one, that's a minus what? Minus a 2x squared all over x squared plus 4 of squared. So that is that. We can just go further if we want, and that will be 1 over this, and then this one minus this, That's a plus minus what? Minus s squared plus 4 all over what? All over s squared plus 4 all squared.